Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create flicker or shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Go to the edit page and select your clip. Open Effects Library. Go to Open FX. Search for Camera Shake and drag it onto your clip. Open the Inspector panel top right and adjust. Motion scale, control shake intensity, speed. Adjust how fast the flicker or shake happens. Rotation and zoom. Adds a more natural camera shake effect. Preview and tweak settings until it looks right. And that is everything you need to know about how to create flicker or shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.